Hello, this is just a quick video of me showing you some Sealey Premier screwdrivers, long handle ones. I don't really like the packaging on these because it's quite hard to get the screwdrivers in and out. The handles are quite nice. I still like the Halford set as well. It's free in there. I think it was about 18 quid. This is screwdriver set. Nice bladed there. Feel nice. I suppose if you're going to put it in a toolbox, it doesn't matter about the box, but getting them in out the box now is awkward. Keep them in there for now. These are a 10-piece Torx set. They're labelled on the back, so that's a T40. I like that. It's nice because you can see what it is without trying to look on the blade, which does tell you as well, but it's quite hard to see. Popular T30. So that's T40 and the smallest is T7, probably for like mobile phones. A 10-piece set that is. And this is a stubby screwdriver set. Looks like it's in the foam. Weird how the other three sets are not in that foam, and this set is. Maybe you can get it in the foam as well. I'm not sure the other sets. I haven't seen them, to be fair. This was from Motor Parts Direct. Yeah, so this is in the foam. Quite nice. Easier to get out of the packet. Again, numbered on the back. PZ or whatever that is. PH1. Poplar size PH2. And the foam's nice if you're going to keep it somewhere. Got little bits here which go in the stubby screwdriver you can put bits in. You've got number 3, number 5, pH 0, pH 3, PZ, and Torx. You've got Torx 30 there. Good for doing headlamp bulbs and full transits. Pliers, nice. Side cutters, these are pliers. Nice size they are. Okay. Too small to do oil filters, but probably okay to do hose clips. Long nose pliers. That set was about 40 quid, I think. Thank you very much. For watching. It's a Sealey Premier Tools.